So today's event is Sensory Friendly Santa at the Mill. And so this will host the same activities as our later in the afternoon Santa at the Mill, but it's geared for children to set the pace of how they want to explore this event today. So they'll have time to meet with Santa on their own, a little bit longer time than standard. It's about 15 minutes with their family and friends. Then they can go up to the mill, Education Center, and do holiday crafts, make their own antlers, make a Christmas tree, and some nice little stocking stuffers for themselves. And then also to finish off their experience, we do have hot chocolate for them to warm up from being outside in the chill. Sensory Friendly Santa at the Mill was created to be just the same as our later afternoon Santa at the Mill. However, we've created it that there's more of a personal touch for the family and friends. They can come and pace their children and their family through the activities that best meets the child and their needs. So Santa, it's a little bit quieter in the mill for them. They get a little bit of a longer time to meet and greet with Santa. And when they do go and do crafts, that's the same thing. We have staff up there ready to help, but they're also pacing it to meet that child's need. So if you want to keep in the holiday spirit and keeping into the winter activities, coming up in February and March, we're going to be doing a maple syrup boil down. So we tap our trees come end of December, early January to start letting the sap flow. And then parents and children and family can come out and explore how we would turn sap into syrup. And so they'll get a chance to taste maple syrup, see the experience, and this year we're going to add some more Native American perspectives. It wasn't the English colonists that were tapping trees first, it was the Native Americans.